Good morning, children. Welcome back to the science class. All must look here. Do you find any difference in these samples? Yes. You can see the difference in this soil. Why are they different from each other? We find different kinds of soils in different areas. Temperature and precipitations are the main climate factors that make soils different from one another. What are the main factors? Temperature and precipitation. Second one, why is soil not the same everywhere? Soil is not same everywhere due to the formation of soil. The type of soil present in a place depends on the parent rock from which the soil was formed. A rock found on the sloping surface of a hill or mountain will get weathered faster than a rock found on a plains. Then, why does soil have different color? Why does soil have different colors? Soil color is influenced by the moisture content, mineral composition and organic content. Moisture content, mineral composition and organic content. If the parent rock lacked a particular mineral, the soil that is formed from the rock will also not contain that mineral. Here, soils high in calcium tend to be white. Those high in iron are reddish. And those high in humus are dark brown. Soil needs only about 5% of organic material that appear black when wet. You can understand about the differences between the soils. Let us study about the soil profile. What is soil profile? The soil is divided into many layers. Each layer of the soil has separate characteristics and properties. Each layer of the soil has the separate characteristics and also the properties. What is soil horizon? A layer of soil with specific properties is called a soil horizon. Then what is soil profile? The arrangement of the soil horizons in the soil is known as the soil profile. These arrangements of the soil horizons in the soil is known as the soil profile. Let us learn about the main soil horizons. First one, O horizon. This O horizon is the top layer of the soil. This is the top layer of the soil. It mainly contains partially decomposed plants and animals. This top layer contains partially decomposed plants and animals. We can see that partially decomposed plants and animals in this layer. Second one, A horizon or topsoil. A horizon is the uppermost layer of the soil. This is the top layer of the soil. But this is the uppermost layer of the soil nearest to the surface. It is dark layer where the roots of plants grow and other organisms live. This is the shelter. This layer is the shelter of many kinds of living organisms. This topsoil contains humus. This is the top soil. This is top layer of soil. But this A horizon is the top soil. This is contain that humus. Humus provides the organic nutrients necessary for the plants to grow. So, this layer is necessary for the plants to grow. Third one is B horizon, subsoil. This is the subsoil. B horizon is the layer below the topsoil. It is the lighter color layer of gravels, stones and clay particles. This B horizon or subsoil contains the gravel, stones and clay particles. Fourth one is C horizon or parent material. Here, this parent material consists mostly of weathered rock fragments and is infertile. It forms the framework of the soil. This C horizon forms the framework of the soil. It contains mostly the weathered rock fragments. Okay, the A and B layers are formed from this soil layer. This A and B layers are formed from this soil layer. Last one. This is called bedrock or horizon. This bedrock is the layer below the sea horizon and is made up of solid weathered rocks. This is made up of solid weathered rock. It is non-porous and rainwater collects above it to form the water table. So, this bedrocks contain water table. Let us revise this topic. First one, O horizon. Top layer of the soil. It contains the partially decomposed plants and animals. Second one is topsoil. This topsoil is also called as A horizon and also it is known as the uppermost layer of the soil. It contains humus. This humus is very necessary for the plants to grow. Third one, subsoil. It contains gravel, stones and clay particles. Fourth one, parent material. It forms the framework of the soil. Here, A and B layers are formed from this soil layer. Then final one, bedrock. Bedrock is made up of solid and weathered rock. It forms water table. What is soil horizon? A layer of soil with specific properties is called a soil horizon. What is called soil profile? The arrangement of the soil horizons in the soil is known as the soil profile. What are the layers of the soil? First one, O horizon, topsoil and subsoil, then parent material, final one, bedrock. Thank you.